Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Tap any text field to open your Android keyboard and look for a gear icon. If the keyboard shows a toolbar, tap the gear icon to open settings. If no icon appears, exit to Android settings and choose Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard. Select your active keyboard from the list, such as Gboard or Samsung Keyboard. Opening the specific keyboard settings is required to access themes, layouts, and image options. In your selected keyboard settings, tap Theme or Appearance to view background options. The theme screen displays default themes and any custom keyboard images you applied. If a custom image is active, tap the image preview and then press Remove or Unset Image to clear it. To revert fully, select a default theme or choose a plain color option provided by the keyboard. Confirm your choice when prompted so your keyboard no longer shows the picture background. After removing the image, open a messaging or notes app to confirm the keyboard no longer shows a picture. If the picture still appears, go to Android Settings, Apps, select the keyboard app and clear cache and data. Reopen the keyboard and reapply a default theme. Reinstall the keyboard app if necessary. For manufacturer keyboards, find their dedicated settings and use Reset to Defaults to remove any persistent custom images. Restart your phone to finalize changes and ensure the image is gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.